Discover why Carroll's Auto Repair is Newark's top choice. At Carroll's Auto Repair, located at 218 Parkhurst Street, Newark, NJ, we deliver honest, high-quality service at unbeatable prices. But don't just take our word for it. See what our happy customers have to say. Honestly, I had given up on my Mercedes. The Newark rats did a number on my electrical system. But once I took it down to Carroll's Auto, I regained hope. When they were done, it was running like new again, and the prices are unbeatable. Thank you so much, Sharon Comer. Whoa, perfect job. There is no one else in this state that can do this job after going to 4 mechanics' workshops. Tony John. They are definitely the best Mercedes-Benz mechanics in Newark, New Jersey. Excellent with diagnosis and repairs. Ukandigboni, NY. Great service, great prices. They will have your car running right. This is the best man. Peter Pichardo. I've been using them for a few years now. Sandro is a knowledgeable mechanic who provides good quality service. He is professional and honest. I would definitely recommend him to others. Victor Chopra. They're so honest and definitely not trying to rip you off like any other mechanic. I knew exactly what my car had because I know mechanics, and they diagnosed the exact problem and didn't even charge me. Definitely coming back. Cesar Gonzalez. Very courteous and helpful. Would definitely recommend this place. Respect to Carroll's Auto Repair. Destiny. Excelente trabalho da equipe Carroll's. Atendimento de primeira qualidade. Super indico mecânica para todos os tipos de carros. VW Sandro. Santana Wesley. Ótimo atendimento. E serviço de excelência. Lorena Siqueira. Buen servicio. 10 recomendado. Son eficaces y sobre todo se sinceran a que tiene el vehículo. Me voy feliz y satisfecho con el trabajo que le hicieron a mi vehículo. Ater. Whether it's a luxury vehicle, routine maintenance, or a major repair, Carroll's Auto Repair has you covered. Customers praise our honest service, expert diagnostics, and unbeatable prices. Come experience our 5-star service for yourself. Visit us at 218 Parkhurst Street, Newark, NJ, or call us at 862-232-2470 to schedule your appointment today. Carroll's Auto Repair, where your car gets the care it deserves.